Has to be grade 12 high tensile. You know that. Dan Gurney.
That's a bit different, isn't it?
Not sure.
So this is Mr. Gurney's 63 Lotus-powered Ford.
Looks like
Why is Dan Gurney famous?
No, looks like something Cookie would make.
It's sort of cookie style, isn't it? It's sort of
Cigar
indie
shaped
style.
What is it? What am I looking at?
It's a race car.
Of what? It's not F1.
No, this would be an indie style thing, wouldn't it?
I don't know. You're telling the story.
Oh, I don't know.
Who's Dan? Why is he
This
Gurney?
car did not win the 63 Indianapolis 500, but its performance was so impressive that it influenced the design of American race cars from then until today.
So it was an IndyCar.
Yeah,
There you go.
there you go. Well, Dan Gurney is famous for racing GT40s.
Yeah, right.
There you go.
That's weird. Is it a hat?
No,
What is it?
it's a Nazi flying saucer.
Can you say that?
It's a flying saucer.
I was going to say. We don't speak about the war.
With the beep out button.
What? Okay.
So there was
Just give me some context. Educate me if you
well, there
will.
were some rumours, right, that
Vicious.
the Germans had alien
What?
technology.
Definitely German.
Yeah.
Well,
And they had an experimental flying saucer. Now,
because
I don't know if they have undercarriage like this, right? But apparently they have one of
or a
these.
turret.
Yeah, that's right. It was armed. So it's a, what is it? A Haunebu 2 saucer. So it must have been a Haunebu 1.
Maybe when there's a Hannibal 3, that was a good one. I want Dan to do an unboxing on this.
So there you go. That's a bit unusual, isn't it?
It's very unusual, unique.
Yeah, with a World War II Luftwaffe type camouflage scheme on it.
The what?
Luftwaffe camouflage scheme.
Oh, so
Developed with utmost secrecy during World War II. Was powered by a revolutionary gravity bell motor.
yes.
And was a cause of many other mysterious fighting sightings by Allied fighter crews,
Foo Fighters.
bomber crews. Its devastating weaponry was still being perfected when the war came to an end. Further versions were planned, but only a single prototype was made. Did not ever fly. I wonder why.
Why?
I don't know.
Are you a rocket engineer? We need Tony P to have a look at that.
I'm an anti-grav engineer.
Anti-grav engineer. Rightio.
All right.
I'm still trying to figure
This
out.
is the last piece that I have.
Thank God. I didn't want to say anything.
This is a Chunkamunka
Yep.
Eagle from Space 1999. It's one of the biggest kits you can get.
Chunkamunka.
Chunkamunka. Look at it. I still remember this series. It used to be on TV when I was a kid.
Don't know.
Space 1999. I don't remember much about it, but I remember the distinct shape of these ships.
It's quite phallic.
What does that mean?
It's musical.
That was a quick answer. Well done. That's all I've got.